Model, 54-plate Ford Transit 350EL high roof 2.4 TDI 115PS jumbo DRW camper motorhome MOT failure. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 197,914. Engine, 2,402 cc 2.4 TD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Unfortunately, this is an MOT failure mainly on welding and some brake discs and pads. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear camping area is very nice. Features: 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.